Hey coucou, welcome to my channel. It's Pallavee, and I was the first woman to ever fly from South Africa to Mauritius in a Cessna 172. Like some of you know, I was born with a hole in my heart and I suffered from scoliosis, but I still managed to realize my dream of becoming a pilot. My project, Flying in the Face of Adversity, was created to address aviation misconception, to shine a light on SACIM, the NPO that covers all my expenses for the life-changing surgery in India, and to inspire those who dare to dream big to keep working towards their goal. Now I am launching Flying in the Face of Adversity World Tour, my quest to become the first African woman to circumnavigate the globe. If you're wondering, why do I want to fly around the world? The reason is that I want to draw attention to the difference in opportunities for pilots in Africa. Because I faced so many challenges during my training, especially flying to Mauritius, where 90% of the people I spoke to thought I was crazy, especially most insurance company. A big shout out to Eagle Insurance and LGO for sponsoring our third-party insurance. I have learned during my aviation journey that women, especially in Africa, are often doubted and told that their dreams are way too big. I went through open heart surgery and spinal fusion to get where I am today, and I'm not going to let anyone stop me from conquering the world. I want my story to bring hope and inspiration. Flying in the Face of Adversity was made possible by our incredible sponsor and all the generous donation. I cannot express how grateful I am, and it was an honor to carry your logo across 3 countries and the Indian Ocean to Mauritius. A special thank you to Safari Air, Grand Tour Air, AML and Jet Prime. I warmly invite you to join us once more as sponsor for Flying in the Face of Adversity World Tour. Let me carry your logo across 5 continents, 45 countries, plus a week at the world biggest air show. Now sit back, relax and enjoy some captivating highlight from our trip to Mauritius.
So we're gonna go through everything thoroughly to make sure the aircraft is nice and healthy for the long journey.
Cool, thank you.
Going to Mauritius with Pallavee. Today we are here with the lady Bradley here. We are preparing her for a long trip to Mauritius.
Go!
I got it up!
Yay!
So this is all your luggage.
Yeah, and then there's obviously the aircraft stuff there.
This is a lot of
Look at the little aircraft tire.
From one room and we landed at Nigeria. We're just putting some fuel, clearing custom, and we're going off to Beira, Mozambique. Excited!
And now we've officially crossed the border. Cool.
En tout cas, bienvenue à l'OCV.
Merci beaucoup.
Where are we flying to?
We're going to Mauritius.
Yeah, we're finally coming to Mauritius.